Yeah. Well, we all know the world's getting a little crazy, and yeah, it's getting a little crazy in our own backyard. Yeah. So I ask you this: what are you prepared to do? Yeah. Full Metal Patriot. Let's do this.
This country's bleeding, and the bastards grin. They stack the deck, then dare you win. They steal your paycheck, they steal your voice. Back you into hell, call it a choice. They stomp your neck like they've got nothing to lose. When the pressure hits, what the hell are you prepared to do? Stand up, stay hard, give every last drop when you know you'll come home scarred. They want you quiet, take your life too. Last the man inside now. What are you prepared to do? These cowards in power said I was a joke. They smirk at your pain like your life is a fucking joke. Their media mouthpieces keep lying on you. They drain every ounce of strength that's left in you. They stomp your neck like they've got nothing to lose. But when the moment comes, how are you prepared to do? Stand up, get hard, give every last drop when you know you'll come home scarred. They want you quiet, take you right too. Better ask my man inside. What are you prepared
Yeah, yeah. What are you prepared to do? Yeah, baby. Love you.